magpakuha na, magpakuha na. Ato ka, Mamila. Mamila. Mamila mi. Mamila mi. Ang Mamila mi. Diyos, mag-practice na ha. Practice na na ugunit oh. Dito. Dito bang ka, Mami oh. Hello, baby. Ito bang ka, Mami?
Anak.
Tara si Mami oh. Ano sama na oh. Life is wonderful no. Be, stand up, be. Stand. Yay! Stand na, baby now. Oy. Stand na,
Singaw.
Little 3, little Indian. 4, little
Tanang
5,
gisus camera oh.
6, love. Nitindog. Look at the legs. Look at the legs. Oh my gosh, the legs. Wow. Those powerful legs. Oh my gosh. Look at that. She's already using her legs. Huh? Wow, legs na mo, baby. Oh, wow, legs na. Oh, wow, legs. Oh my gosh. Using her legs already? Oh. Sige, practice. Stand. Oh my gosh. Stand. Look at that. She's already standing. Look at Mommy. Mommy is over there. Oh. Look at Mommy.
Anak.
She's already using her legs. Oh?
Ha?
Wala na.
Wala ka nang usog?
Wala. She's already using her legs. Good job, Abby. Good job, Abby. Huh? 2 months, more than 2 months. She can already manage to lift herself. Galing na pa sayo gumay, but it's okay. It's okay. This is a good practice. You guys need to practice her. Look. Wala na ko nangusugin. Siya na jud nagtindog. Huh? So how is it? Abby? You want to run now, huh? You want to run? Abby? Oh my gosh. Oh, tired na? Tired na ang legs?
Tired guro yung ulo. Sa yung ulo siya nabugatan.
See? Oh. She keeps on moving around. She keeps on moving her legs. No, not legs. Head. Look. What's in there, Abby? What's in there?
Palitan na ginig toys ni Mami.
Susuin na pihing mga ulo ani gini.
Asa man?
Wala na oh. Ang diri ana wala oh. Napihing na.
May diri pud mi ka paragot.
Kay inyo man pasagdan ang maglingi siya dito sa dala.
May ako man ang ginabangilan. Ano man gid siya?
Naunad siya. Letter conjure. Iya, if-I do na siya. Oops.
Nag-burp?
Nag-burp. Nagka-video pa ka?
Kulang pa yung burp.
She's already using her legs. Wow, look at that. Huh? Face Mamila? Hello. Wow, si saglingi dito. Oh, sige saglingi. Dire Rabi? Hello.
Nasanaan na siya no?
Oh my gosh, look at that face. Hello. Baby Abby. Hello. Baby Abby. Baby Abby, ayaw pa doon kayo ng phone.
Nak, diri anak lingi nak.
Baby Abby.
Nak.
Hey,
Pastilan.
what's in there? Huh? What you made you look at there? No, I'm here. I'm here. Baby Abby. Oh, baby Abby. Oh, baby Abby. One little, two, little three, little Indian. Four, little five, little six, little Indian. Seven, little
Yang
eight,
ano ba?
little nine, little Indian. 10 little Indian boys. 10 little nine, little eight, little Indian. 7 little six, little five, little Indian. 4 little three, little two, little Indian. 1 little Indian boy. Woo! Come on. Huh? Huh? You're using your legs? Huh? Are you excited now? Huh? Are you excited? Oh, kapoy na? Oh, let's sit down. Let's sit down. Huh? Unyo mo na. Kapoy na? Huh? Kapoy na? Kapoy na. Oh, jaman. Ay, Diyos. Agoy, nag-istorya na to, no? Istorya na, no? Oo. Oh, kapoy na tindog? Oo, kapoy na tindog. Oo, lagi. Oo, tabihan na mo nga, Bino. Tabihan na. Ha? Oh, Jesus. Oo, lagi. Oo, jaman. Tabi na, no? Nagtabi na, tanduhan, no? Be, stand up na pod. Stand up na pod. 1 little 2 little 3 little Indian. 4 little 5 little 6 little Indian. 7 little 8. Abby! Abby, my name is Abby Biolysis. My name is Abby Biolysis. Look at me. Here, here. Kapoy na. Kapoy na. Kapoy na ng kapoy na ng neck. Huh? O sige, anak ta. Susunod, naglaway man, oy. Ito na. Ito man na. Uy, naglingi-lingi naman po. Ito man na. Ha? Kainom mo na po. Ito man. Ito man ang legs, B. Patanawa ko sa legs, B. Wow, legs. Wow, legs. Wow, legs. Beautiful shoes. Beautiful shoes. Beautiful shoes. Beautiful shoes. Beautiful shoes. Ito man na. Sige, gamitan ng legs, B. Ay, na mag-snack sa food ka. Ha? Snack sa food ka? Ha? Ano, beautiful Abby? Mag-snack sa food ni? Mag-snack sa food niya mong beautiful Abby? Mag-snack sa food ni? Naka-video pa ka? Oh my gosh. Pero sa manang video, anak.